Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix printer offline issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are giving any print from your laptop or desktop and it is showing your printer is offline, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first what you can check is you have to check whether your if you have connected printer through USB cable, check it is connected properly or not. Just you have to disconnect and reconnect from both end, from laptop or desktop and from printer both end. You have to remove and connect it again. Suppose if you are using through Wi-Fi, make sure that your laptop or desktop and printer should be connected on same network. If you are using another Wi-Fi for both devices, it will not work. After checking this, still your issue has not resolved, then what you have to do? You have to just click on this search menu, then type here control panel. Click on the control panel. Here you can see if it is selected as category, you have to select as large icon. After selecting large icon, in this you need to find devices and printer. Click on this. After clicking devices and printers, if you are using Windows 11, you will see this type of screen, or if you are using Windows 10, directly that devices and printer screen will be opened. If you are using Windows 11, then you can click on this option, printer and scanner. Select the printer which you are using. So I am using this printer. You can see it is showing offline. You have to just click on this, scroll down. If you are using Windows 11, you have to click this option, more devices and printer setting. Click on this. You can see this window will be opened. If you are using Windows 10, directly this screen will be opened when you click on devices and printer. After opening this, just you have to right click on your printer and make sure it is set as default. You have to just right click on the printer and then click on set as default. After setting as default, again you have to right click on that, then click on see what's printing. After that, in top left side corner you will find your printer. Click on that. In this you can see use printer offline. If this option is check mark, you have to just click on this option. Again you have to click on use printer offline, then this tick mark will be removed. After that, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, again you have to right click on that, then click on printer property, then click on the ports, then click on configure port. As just click on configure port. If this option is selected, you have to just uncheck this option, then click on OK. After that, close this window. You have to restart your both laptop or desktop and printer. You have to both restart your devices. After restarting, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue. Here you have to click services. Click on the services. In this you need to find printer spooler. Select any one of the service, then press P. Here you can see print spooler. Right click on that, click on property. Startup type should be selected as automatic, then click on start, click on apply, click OK. After that, right click on that, then click on restart the service. After trying all this option, still you are facing the issue, Then the last and final method is you have to just remove your printer and add it again. Just right click on that, then click on remove device. After that, in top you will find add a device. If you are using Windows 11, here you will find add a printer. You can select that one. If you are using Windows 11, then you have to click on settings. After settings, here you will find Bluetooth and devices. Click on this, then click on printer and scanner. Here you can add your printer again. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix printer is offline problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.